In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a PayPal button in 2025. Whether you're setting up an online store or creating a personal donation link, this tutorial will guide you through the straightforward process of establishing your very own PayPal button. To begin, open your web browser and head over to the PayPal website. If you're not familiar with PayPal, it's a widely used online payment system that helps you make digital transactions with ease and security. Once you're on the PayPal homepage, look for the login option. This is usually at the top right corner of the web page. Click on it and go ahead by entering your login credentials, such as your email and password, to access your PayPal account. Next, PayPal might prompt you with a security step. You may be asked to verify your identity with a quick text or a WhatsApp message. Just click on the Get a WhatsApp text or Get a Text option and follow the instructions provided. This additional security measure ensures your account remains protected. After successfully verifying your identity, you will be redirected to your PayPal homepage. Now move on to the Settings option, which you should find once you're logged into your account. Inside Settings, look for the Seller Tools tab. This area is particularly designed for sellers who want to manage their business transactions conveniently. Once you're in Seller Tools, find and click on the PayPal Buttons option. This section is where you'll create various types of buttons for different needs. Click on Make a PayPal button and you will be presented with the button setup interface. You're almost there. PayPal offers multiple options based on what kind of button you need: buy now, add to cart, donate, and many more, each serving a distinct function. Once you have an idea of which button fits your needs, click on Select the one you need and we'll guide you through an easy setup. As you proceed, follow the on-screen prompts to customize your button. You can adjust the button's appearance, set prices, and even determine shipping fees or taxes if applicable. After you've configured the settings to your preference, PayPal will generate a piece of HTML code for your new button. The final step is to copy this HTML code and paste it onto your website or the platform where you want your button to appear. And there you have it. Your personalized PayPal button is live and ready to use. That concludes our guide on creating a PayPal button in 2025. This simple setup can significantly enhance your e-commerce or fundraising efforts. Thank you for watching and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this.